sige sir, tingnan mo.
Bigyan mo na sa mga tricycle driver, sir.
Wait lang sir.
Bigyan nyo na sa kanila.
Ken. Sige sir. So ngayon, sadyado na tayo mga idol. Timbaan. Papalado, papalado. Pupuntahan natin. Ngayon, subscribe naman ang ating YouTube channel, Mars Vlog. Mga kalode, mga idol. Thank you po. So yun, idol, nandito na tayo. Ice oil, the first in synthetic. So yun.
Hello, sir. Oh, para pala kumatakala ko sa iyo.
Hello po sir.
Ito pala pang ano to, pang drag race itong katawan na ito. Ako. You are younger in person. Ayo. Tawag din yung kita, kami sa nang kano, di ka mo man. Material, tinagan na. Rider
So yun mga idol, papasok tayo sa loob. Yan. Let's go.
kasama ko sa lang nagkakasugi sa Wala. Tungtong patang sa tayo. Baka boss, baka hindi kayo baka hindi, kasi short versus speed yun. Pang racing na road, baka yung full throttle na pangkaklasan. Pero I will back to you, I will be communicating, I will inquiring in US if they can use it. So the best way to do it, sabi niya, ito kasi mas broader ito. Oh, sir. Instead na we will use a scooter.
Hello.
Motorcycle.
Ito po yung mga
Dito yun, kaya lang gigante.
arms oil.
Then,
Chain lube.
chain lube.
Chain lube.
Pero ano natin. Ito mga lupit. Ito yung pang transaxle gear natin. It is also used for big bikes, especially GS, BMW, and of course, transaxle, those like NMAX, na only scooters. Transaxle is very different from gear oil. This is a transaxle. Ito yung medyo pang tono.
Shock therapy.
Pang tono kay shock therapy.
Okay, sir.
We will be introducing this one, racing.
Dominator.
For the this is a super premium oil. Then another one, 1040 is a dual purpose and function for moto, for clutch and automatic scooters. This one is basically for scooter. Tapos this one, 2050, is for basically for manual. Manual for
TMX.
CB150, TMX, Sniper, Raider, ATM, and others. That requires broad discretion 20W50. What this one, very basic for Honda because of the viscosity rating. 10W30 is basically for Honda, like Forza, ADB, PCX, Clicks, T-Max. And also for those manual, very broad viscosity or for those manual bikes that requires 10W30. Very broad. Jasa MM2, A1, SLSJ, SXSG, 10W30. Well, this one is for basically for oil, dirt bike.
Yes, sir.
This is one, if you notice this one, it is being used by Geico World
Geico.
Dirt Bike. AMA in the US. Geico Team Geico, sorry. Honda Team Geico.
Stewart.
Chain lube. The advantage of this one is on and off-road motorcycles. Ibig sabihin nito, you can choose a dirt bike and also for big bikes. No, does not fling off. Ibig sabihin yan, even on high speed, hindi nag-ano yan, dumidikit, it flings sa chain, ano natin. Well, this one, Amstel V-twin is for, basically for V-twin motorcycle, Indian, the brand are Indian motorcycle and Harley Davidson, Benelli, usually US and US between engines. 20W50. Engine, transmission, proprietary chain case lubricant. That requires 20W+50 viscosity index. Amstel anti-freeze, basically this is for automobile, trucks and also motorcycle. Anti-freeze coolant, long life, 100 to 150,000 kilometer, drain interval. How much more if you will use it in enduro motorcycle? Oh, this will be the one that will be used by the riders of KMR Amstel Racing available. And Max, ayun na. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
For visiting the place.
Thank you po.
Ayo.
So, yun, binigyan tayo ni sir ng Amstel.
Rugong.
Official rider na rin po si Mark ng Amstel R2. Maraming salamat kay Sir Eugen kasi sinuportahan niya tayo. Ano masasabi mo mga kabsat na itong si Mark? Dudurugin natin yan. Joke lang. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Ay, putang na, bumili ka na ng ano. Bumili mo na ng
Ay, sir.
racing gear. Kaya lang, di ka man nakalukat ni JB.
Sige, sir. Sige, kuya. So, yun. Sponsoran po tayo ng Ants Oil na langis saka kulan. Maraming salamat kay sir sponsor Eugene. Maraming salamat po, sir. So papakapit lang ating pinsan si Bon. Papalitan niya yung ilaw niya. So ayun mga idol, pauwi na kami. Sama ko pa rin si Underground Vlog. Special natin si Langit Gawang Memorial. Shout out. Intan, sige. So ayun mga idol, nandito na kami sa bahay. Kasama ko pa rin si Underbound Vlog. Ito po yung binili natin na riding jacket. Yan. So yun, huwag niyo pong kalimutan. Like, share, subscribe.